What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2011 Harley Davidson Street Glide with me today. Now this is the first half of the year 2011, so it's still got the 96-inch fuel injected twin cam 6-speed transmission, and this is going to be one of our bargain bike specials. So we're going to sell it as is. We test rode it, got it cleaned up, made sure it passed a Texas state inspection. The bike has its fair share of cosmetic issues. Nothing major, but just little things kind of scattered throughout the bike, which is kind of unfortunate for a bike with only 3,000 miles. So we'll start with this bag. You can see it's got some bind scratches on the latch as well. The lid's got a few marks on it. Again, there's no major damage to this bike. Some random rock chips. The tank actually looked pretty good. It's got some highway pegs installed. The fairing's got some marks on it here and there. There's one right there. There's like a weird circular scuff. Actually, you know what? That's just leftover wax. That's nothing at all. Bike runs and rides like you'd expect a 3,000-mile bike to. No issues there. It's got some scuffs on the bottom of the bags right there. This lid's got a few marks. Got a little chip right there. It's got a couple marks on that trim piece. Little things like that. All the chrome looked to be in good shape. (3,103 miles). It's got cruise control. Both tires are in good shape. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.